Welcome back to Burns Brothers Performance and D-Loney V8 Motorsports. Here we are today with an infamous green Chevelle. You may have seen this on the channel. There's a short on there that's got 46,000 views of this thing doing a burnout. And today we're going to make it more mild because George is going to install this exhaust system. Mufflers and tailpipes.
The back half, yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
So it's Brian's car. George is doing the work. Brian pays the bills. So we'll see how this turns out. But anything else we want to talk about?
Yeah. It's kind of cool. Do this car. Brian and I did a deal some time ago and my end of the deal was to put tailpipes on his car, and we just kind of never got around to doing it, and here we are doing tailpipes. So kind of a little backstory. Brian's had this car for what? 12 years. 12 years, and has gradually built it up, over time. It's a pretty cool story how he's done it with buying parts cars and selling off parts, and it's really kind of a testament to what can be done with a limited budget, but come out with a really nice car in the end. Maybe sometime we could sit down and have him tell a story about how he did it, but it's actually really cool. Anyway, so built the 454 Ford a number of years ago, and then did a freshen up on it, changed cam, intake, carburetor, torque converter, stuff like that. And it does have tailpipes on it right now, and the exhaust actually hits the sway bar, and you'll hear that. It actually has a weird note to it as it hits the sway bar. So that was the reason for the tailpipes, and so here we are putting tailpipes on it to get rid of that
Nice.
funky sound.
Well, stay with us. We are going to do before and after. In the middle, we're going to see George do this job. This bad 454 Chevelle is going to be tamed down a little bit. And then maybe someday down the road, maybe this year, we'll see what it does with the drag strip again.
Good possibility George would probably do the run and tuning on it.
Nice. And that was George doing the burnout too, by the way.
Right.
So
I have my sleeves on now,
Yeah.
so you might not recognize me.
Brian really trusts him with this thing. I don't know why.
100%.
Yeah. He's pretty good with Chevelles. But let's kick it off. So cheers, everybody. Hope you're having a good Sunday.
It is St. Patrick's Day, so I have my green drape today.
Nice. St. Patrick's Day. So we'll be right back. Stick with us. So we got a pair of Flowmaster 40 series mufflers, got Flowmaster mandrel bent 2.5 tailpipes. This thing is going from gangster to businessman. Okay, a quick little shot under the hood of this businessman's muscle car. Now complete with tailpipes and H-pipe. She's looking good. 454 cubic inches of muscle. Little shot of the interior. Green on green, bucket seats, console, all the goodies. All right, we're gonna wrap this one up. So how'd it go, George? Tell us about it.
It actually went pretty well. We did definitely have to change the mufflers because of the tailpipes. The outlet was wrong on the muffler, so we changed those. Everything went pretty well. We ended up putting H-pipe in it. I got a little lazy, didn't drop the exhaust. So it was kind of a pain to weld the top, but we got it. Disclaimer, we are putting tips on this, so I haven't cut the pipe short. So when you see the video or the pictures of where the pipe ends up, it's long right now. We know that. We'll cut those off and probably gonna go with the SS style oval tip on it. But yeah, it sounds really good. I think Brian's really happy with it. So definitely
Huge change.
Let's cheers to that. Yeah. St. Patrick's Day, don't forget, gotta wear your green and drink your green. So
Right. All right. We'll wrap it up.
all right.
Thanks for watching. Oh, like, subscribe, hit the bell.
Yeah, share with your friends, do all the stuff.
I think it's like 5% of the people watching the videos are subscribers.
Right.
So come on,
Oh,
folks.
come on.
It's free.
You gotta get those numbers up. Those are rookie numbers.
It's free.